think about visual art journals, paintings, assemblages and more? If you like it like I do, then you are right here. Hi, I'm Bea Grob and I love to inspire you. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So glad you joined me today for another video. Today I have another video collaboration for you for the Artsy Trio. It is for the month of May. For those who don't know, we do have also a Facebook group where we post the videos, the three from the Artsy Trio, which is Marie from Sweden, Gina from Oregon, USA, and myself from Switzerland. And yeah, we have this Facebook group where you can find the mood boards, and we also post the videos. And if you belong to the group, you are more than welcome to post your pictures or your videos, whatever you have done with the mood board. Now for the mood board number 33, May, it was my time to do a video. So that's what I have chosen. It's mostly pink and reddish and a little bit of green. So yeah. Now I did grab this and started with collaging bits and pieces which had red or pink in it. Some were like jelly prints that I didn't use or didn't went well. Some were music sheets, but I also added some washi tape. And then I went over with paint. I did add the green, which I didn't have so much in my collage pieces. And yeah, there were also pieces of napkins and yeah. Next, I did use some of my stencil. It is the Bea and the Benny stencil, which you can find in my shop if you are interested. It is called Bea and Benny because there was, I mean 2 winters ago, I don't remember quite, I made a photo with just with my smartphone. I do make my photos with my smartphone. Nowadays those smartphones are well enough to do pictures if you don't want to use it for print. That's another story. Anyway, I did take a picture when we were walking in the snow somewhere, and I did see the shadow on the snow. That's what I took a picture from. Now I did use the Bea and Benny stencil, and then I have also a stencil with wings in different sizes. I think it was like the second smallest or third smallest, I don't remember. If you are interested to check just my shop. And then I also had this quote, "Dance lightly with life," which I did use a Posca pen. I also did use some mark making and whatnot. Now don't forget to go over after you have watched my video to Marie and Gina and see what they came up with the mood board. And if you are interested what other people come up, join the Facebook group. You will find all the links down below in the description, as well the link to my shop. Now I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Till next time. Bye.